Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen. I'm back here at Mama's house. It's the holiday season. How about a drink? Today we're gonna do a holiday adult cocktail. And it's really interesting because we're gonna make a batter, then we need hot water, we're gonna add some rum, and then we're gonna top it with whipped cream. I love anything that involves a batter. So you know this drink is gonna be right up my alley. So let's start. We are going to melt. If I can figure out Mama's stove. I'm so happy that this is working up here now. We've got 1 stick of butter. Into the pot.
Jamie, a little trivia on this. This is like the number 2 drink for Christmas behind, of course, eggnog.
Oh, nice. So we're gonna do our butter, our honey, and our brown sugar. Doesn't that look awesome? Brown sugar and honey and butter is the start of many, many, many recipes. And so I have great faith in this. I do not drink a lot of rum, but it is Christmas and we have a big family. And so this year, I'm making rum drinks. So this is gonna take about 5 minutes. And to this, once this gets melted a little bit better, we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients, which is cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. All the holiday flavors. Smells like a pot of potpourri. Okay, so I'm gonna just heat this up slowly. I'm gonna make sure that all of this doesn't scorch or burn. We're gonna melt the butter and get the rest of our batter done. So y'all get thirsty. Be back in a minute. Okay, y'all, we got our batter all melted. So the last thing we do with this is we add a teaspoon of vanilla.
Did you turn off the, yeah.
And the vanilla goes in after we melt everything. I'm gonna stir this up now. So this is our batter.
Yum.
And we've got our hot water and we've got our rum. So this is how easy this is. Find your favorite mug. Of course, we have starfish here on the coast for Christmas. That's gonna take too long. I'm gonna add about, this is a big cup. I'm gonna do about half a cup. No, I'm gonna do the whole thing. Got about a cup of hot water in here, and it says to add 2 tablespoons of batter or to taste. So this ladle is probably about 2 tablespoons, but I'm gonna double it up. Because I love all those flavors.
You know, if you didn't drink, you could probably just put a little bit of rum flavoring in it.
Or nothing. You could just have batter and hot water. So before I add the rum, I want to taste this and see, make sure that I get my batter to water ratio good. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I'm kind of like my mom, I'm not much of a drinker. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this rum just to give it a little bit of flavor. That's probably a tablespoon.
And that's the beauty. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want.
Oh, this is for, you know, those really cold coastal Georgia nights when it gets down in the 70s. This is a perfect drink.
Ooh,
Look
whipped
at that.
cream.
Now, if you got a cinnamon stick or something, or a peppermint stick, and you want to stick it in there, it'll even be happier holidays. Look at me, y'all. I'm drinking rum. Cheers, everybody. Happy holidays. Be safe and love one another.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.